Welcome to Math 115, Statistics, online course from Antelope Valley College. My name is Jane Bowers. I'm your instructor for this course. In this video, I will show you how to navigate the course on Canvas and where to find the important information related to the course. The homepage is structured the way for you to have easy and fast access to the important course information. At the beginning of the page, you will find the short overview of the class topics. In this class, we will learn the basics of statistical reasoning and statistical analysis, as well as some probability concepts. The class is completely online, no in-class meetings. However, the class is not self-paced. All assignments have completion dates. Please manage your time effectively to keep up with weekly assignments. I'm here to help you learn and succeed in this course. The next part of the page will be changed weekly, depending on the assignments that are due that week. But in the first week, to get started, you will read the welcome letter and watch the navigation video, which is this video that you're watching right now. When you scroll down, you will see the table with the due dates of the assignments that are due that particular week. Here are the assignments that you need to complete the first week of class. Notice that on the first day of class, Monday, May 15, you will have 4 assignments. Update your Canvas profile, register for MyMathLab, fill out intro card, and complete notes for Chapter 1. On the second day, you will complete notes for Chapter 2, and on Wednesday, you will submit notes for Chapter 3.1. When you click on the assignment, it will take you to the assignment so you can easily access the assignment right from the home page. Note that assignments can be completed earlier than due date. Moreover, encouraged to be completed earlier than the due date and are open approximately a week after due date. Is there a late policy? Find out by reading the syllabus. You will also find the links to the previous week and the next week. The previous week was summer break, so there is only one link to the next week, week 2. On the home page, you will also find important course links to course syllabus, schedule of assignments, modules, and Question Cafe. Question Cafe is the discussion where you can ask any questions of me or your classmates. On the home page, you will also find the instructor's information, including my name, email, phone from my office, and the link to the virtual hours, and the link to my YouTube channel, as well as the links to the helpful resources. To the campus resources, the page with the list of all campus resources, link to math workshops, link to course navigation resources, and the link to the additional practice in MyMathLab. On the home page, you will also find the announcements. 2 announcements will be displayed on the top of the page. To access the rest of the announcements, you can by clicking Announcements tab on the left-hand side of Canvas. When you click on the syllabus, it will take you to the syllabus links and the course summary. Under this link, you will also find the schedule of assignment file, which we will go over in the next video. To access assignments, you will click on the modules. The first module is syllabus and the course material, including schedule of assignments. The next module is learner support, where you will find helpful handouts, helpful resources, and helpful videos, as well as video answers to your questions in the discussions. The next module is Module 0. It's called Get Ready for the Course. These are the assignments that you need to complete the first week, not including the notes assignments and the homework. Before you start working on any chapter, I would highly recommend you to read chapter overview and what assignments are due. In the chapter overview page, you will find learning objectives for each chapter and what assignments you will be completing to meet those objectives. To register for the course material, you will click My Lab and Mastering tab and go through the registration process. I'm already registered, So I would just click Open My Lab and Mastering. That will take me to my MATLAB website. To access the discussions, you can click Discussions. You will notice that as we have more discussions, there will be more links to the discussions, and the Questions Cafe discussion will always be pinned. This is the discussion where you can ask any questions of me or your classmates that are not related to the topics that we discuss in each discussion. Next link is NetTutor. This link will take you to the 24/7 tutoring. Besides the Learning Center tutoring, the college has subscription to NetTutoring, where you can find tutoring for any subject. Check it out. And finally, the link to the grades. You can check your grades anytime. I wanted to show you a few more important places on the Canvas course page. First, on the right-hand side, you will find the to-do list. These are the assignments that are coming up due. So you can access the assignments from there as well. On the left-hand side, you will find the link to the calendar. When you click on the calendar, it will display all assignments that are due in the course. So that's another way to access the assignments and keep up with what is due. To send me email, please use the inbox. And also right here on the outer navigation menu, you will see the link to Pronto. Pronto is a great communication tool with me or with your classmates. Try it out. I hope you found this video helpful. I'm looking forward to working with you this semester and helping you learn statistical concepts.